Good evening, welcome on my YouTube channel. So, restore the CX engine. Is an oil plate, restrictor plate, no, this deflector plate or something like that. This rubber has to go to the inside, but before you do that, please give it some oil. Plenty of oil. Get the hammer and an iron rod to do. Always difficult. Sound is fine. The other layer, roller bearing, lager. Those bearings are, roller bearings are very strong. They have a lifespan that's longer than the engine itself. So, roller bearings are installed. Then we do the gearbox, but first I want to show you something. Two oil pumps, different intakes, but they are the same in diameter. The 650 has a bigger, brighter pump inside. The 500, all the types are the same. They you can switch them in the engine whatever you like. So it doesn't matter what one you take. If it is good, use it. So. I just strip some dust off the oil pump, make it clean again. Be sure the bushing there is in place, and then we'll install it. First of all, the chain. Some types engine have a very slack chain, almost touching the clutch, but that's not the biggest problem. Yeah, you can change them out or replace them, but it's not a big issue by this engine. They will last very long. Find the right type length of bolts. You need two long ones. Longer one, maybe this one is too long. Sorry, my fault. I have to find a shorter one. I think this will do. Yeah, that's fine. That is also fine. A little bit longer. Do I have a little bit longer? Yeah, I have. That's better. So, have you seen my tools? Oh, here it is. I'm missing something. So, that's not good, eh? But preset it. Don't tighten it very hard on. Little secret, take a screwdriver, push it to the outside and then put some tension on the bolts. That's fine. Yeah, you have seen it. Always check this one. So, always check that one. That's checked, this one is checked, that is checked, that is checked. So, let me do the other one from the other side. I hope it will give you more information like that. First of all, I need some oil to lubricate it all. The oil plate, the oil has to go in, so you want to spray the oil inside the gearbox axle. So this one has to go in front of you, to you. Now I need some oil. Oh, stay there, don't go away. Standard oil, engine oil. Make sure everything is lubricated again and again. And too much oil, wipe it away later on. Be gentle. Also lubricate it. Nice and shiny. That's not good. I think I have picked the wrong bearing. Okay, I made the mistake. One moment please. Something is off. Yeah. How is that possible? This roller bearing is becomes placed in the engine, back cover of the engine. This one is right. I have never seen a roller bearing that is worn out. They all are very good. So, oh yeah. So, then the oil pump. Beware of the bushing. Hit it so hard if you can with a hammer. Nice. This one is longer. And now I need the right one there. So, please give me an oil change. I have to find one because I'm missing one. Something is bothering me. This one feels not good. What's happened? Oh, nice. This one I have to throw away. Something is wrong. Just by feeling, I hope you can see, it's worn out. I have never seen that before. That is strange. This is the first time I see that. Also there. This one is not good. So when you see that, all the shiny spots, and it feels sharp on the edges, then it is not good. I throw this one away. Oh yeah. This one has also shiny spots but not sharp edges. This one feels a lot better. Sometimes you have to throw them away. So so. That's fine. I told you, always check that one out. It's fine. So, looks nice. That one too. Okay, what's my next video? Step to the gearbox. I think we will put you there. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye bye.